بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we will continue our SUZANA example. In the previous video, we start with the 1st of April. Owners start his SUZANA center by deposit 100,000 at bank, 87,500 cash, 15,000 equipment, 150,000 building. We'll continue with accounts payable at the company, 12,500. Here, the owner transfers the accounts payable from him to SUZANA company. The accounts payable owed on the owner will becomes owed on the SUZANA company. Here we have to go back to QuickBooks. From here we want to record this transaction. Here we want to go to company, make general journal entries, company, make general journal entries. Okay, maximize. We want to change the date to become first of April 1st, 2020. Notice that my window date format is like this. First we have month, second we have the day. If your date of your Windows date is first the day and the second is the month, you must type it as the Windows want. Okay, we have here on my Windows the month becomes first, then the day, then the year. Okay, entry here. We want to record the entry. The entry is accounts payable. Okay, accounts payable. Okay, capital first. Capital. Okay, we have capital 12,500. Tab. Then accounts payable. Accounts payable tab is a new account. Accounts payable is not in the account list setup. Yes, accounts payable classified as here. Accounts payable. We have classification other account type as accounts payable. Click and click continue. We have here accounts payable, save and close. Then we have here the name of the vendor. Here we must enter the name of the vendor because QuickBooks will not save this window unless you enter a valid payable or a valid vendor name. Okay, here we have names here, sales tax agency and owner. Okay, in the previous window we input these items, okay, or these names. We have here Adel company, okay, Adel company, tab, quick add. Adel company is a vendor. Okay, we have this journal entry, save and close. Okay, we finished the first transaction, 1st of April. We'll move to the second transaction, 5th of April 2015. Here we forget to change the date from 2020 to 2015. How to solve this mistake? We can correct this mistake by going back to make journal entries, and to go back to the journal entry by click on the previous icon here, click. We have capital accounts payable, and we can change the year to becomes 2015 like this, 2015. This is how we can correct any mistake in our transactions. Okay, then we can click on save here, which will save the this window, and will save this window, and we will stay on this entry here. Save and new will save this window and go to a new entry, or to a new journal entry. This icon save and close will save this window and close this journal entry window. Then we have here save will save this journal entry, this window, and stay on this journal entry. Here save and new will save this journal entry and go ahead to a new journal entry. We'll clean the sheet here, and save and close will save this journal entry and close the window. Okay, save here. Okay, you have changed the transaction. Yes, here he said that this transaction is very old. It's more than 20 days in the past. Okay, we'll say yes. Okay, then we can close this window by clicking on X. Go back to the example. We have here 5th of April 2015, inventory purchases on account from Ahmed Company according to bill 777 includes the items here: orange juice, banana juice, mango juice, quantity and cost per unit. Okay, go back to QuickBooks. We have here purchases on account. Okay, if he don't see that the company pays the bill on cash or by check, we assume that it will be on account. Okay, enter bills. Enter bills. This icon is for any purchases on account. Okay, click enter bills to enter the bill of the purchases of inventory from Ahmed Company. We have vendor Ahmed Company. Click tab. Okay, it's a new item in the list, a new name in the list. Okay, quick add. Okay, QuickBooks add this name to the list as a vendor automatically. We have to change the date to become 5th of April, and we have reference 777, which is bill number. Then we have here the invoice or the bill. We don't have terms here. Okay, then because we don't have terms, we'll go back, or we'll go ahead to this table. We have two tabs, expenses and items. Okay, we have in this panel, we have expenses and items. We purchase inventory. Inventory is a tangible asset, بالتالي okay, then we have here to go to items. Expenses will be use it only for entering expense transactions like rent, like insurance, etc. Items for purchases of inventory, for purchases of fixed assets, for purchases of other assets. Okay, we have inventory purchases here. Item, the name of the item. Here we have orange juice. Okay, orange juice, the first item. Orange juice. Click tab. Okay, QuickBooks did not find orange juice in your list. Okay, you want to add it? Yes. Okay, orange juice is an inventory part because we purchase inventory to resell. We purchase these items for resell, use for goods you purchase, track, and resell. Okay, it's inventory part, not inventory assembly. Inventory assembly for manufacturing company. This company is not a manufacturing, it's a merchandising company. Okay, inventory part. Okay, we have here cost per unit. Cost per unit, 2 JDs. Okay, we have 2 JDs. And cost of goods sold account. What we mean by cost of goods here account, we mean that when we sell this item, the journal entry will be debit cost of goods sold at cost, credit inventory. You notice that we have here inventory and we have here cost of goods sold. When we sell this item, we must record journal entry as cost of goods sold debit, inventory asset credit with the cost of the inventory sold, and we will here record the journal entry for revenue. Okay, the preferred vendor, we have Ahmed Company. Okay, here we will go ahead for sales information. We finish purchase information and we go ahead for sales information. Sales information, we will here search if we sell this item. Okay, here sold the next transaction on the next the 11th of April. We have here invoice number 1. We sell orange juice for 3GD. This is the selling price. We can here go back to QuickBooks and enter 3. Taxable, yes. Okay, here we have income account. Income account for inventory. When we sell inventory, we record the inventory account as sales. We record the revenue account as sales revenue. We record the inventory or record the revenue account as sales revenue. Okay, we have sales revenue here. Tab, it's a new account on the left, setup. Okay, it's an income account, revenue account, sales revenue, save and close. We finish this item. Okay, quantity here as we have on our example 2,400 units. 2,400 units. Tab to the next line. Here we have item. The total is 4,800. 2,400 multiplied by 2. Okay, we have here 4,800. We have here 4,800. Okay, the second item is banana juice. Okay, banana juice. Tab, we have to add this item, inventory part. On our example, we have 2.5 JD. Okay, 2.5 JD. 2.5 0.5 JD, cost per unit, cost of goods sold, Ahmed company. Okay, selling price, we'll go and search if we have, okay, selling price for our item. Here we don't have a selling price here. We don't sell this item. Okay, here, okay. We don't have information about the sales price on our example. Then, because we don't have an information about selling price, we will leave it as is, as 0. Here we have sales revenue. Sales revenue, we already added to the list. Okay. Then, okay. The quantity is 1,200. 1,200 here we have to go back and entering 1,200, tab, then we have 3,000 for banana juice, 4,800 for orange juice. The total is 7,800, 7,800 here and here. Okay, the third one is mango juice, 1,000, 3 JDs 0.5 mango juice. Okay, we have mango juice, tab, we will add it to the list. Yes, inventory part. Okay, 3 JD 0.5 Ahmed company. We'll search if we have selling price for this. Yes, we sell this item, mango juice, for 4GD 0.5. Okay, 4GD 0.5 is the selling price, 4.5. Okay, sales revenue, yes. Okay, add to the rest. Okay, the quantity is, according to our example, 1,000 units. 1,000 units. Here we have 1,000 units. Tab. Then we finish this bill. The total is 11,300. You must ensure that the total here amount due is also 11,300. If it's not the same as here, you must enter it by yourself. Okay, we finish this bill. We can save and new or save and close. Click on save and close. Okay, we finish this bill. Second, we have here the next transaction, 7th of April 2015, paid in cash, bill 777. Okay, go back to our bill. Go back to bill as previous here. Here again, we forget to put 2015 instead of 2020. 2015. Simply we can correct our mistake here. This is how you can correct the mistakes. We will find another example for correcting mistakes. If you make a mistake, you can, or an error, you can here correct the error like this. Go to the window you find that you make an error on it and correct the error on that window and save it again. Save and close, or save simply and still on this window or on this bill. Save and yes. Okay, here he said that this transaction is very old. Okay, yes, we know that. Here we still on the same bill. We don't go to a new one, or we don't close this window, because we want to pay this bill. Paying the bill, you can pay the bill by go back to the bill by previous. We have here going back to Ahmed company and click pay bill. Here we have pay bill, or you can simply close this window and go to pay bills. Here will be the same result here. Okay, you can from here or from here. Pay bills, click on pay bills. You have here bill called Ahmed company here. Okay, 777. Okay, this is the bill of Ahmed company. Okay, you can go and enter this bill here, Ahmed company, or simply you can close this and go to enter bills and go back to the previous here. Okay, Ahmed company, and go to pay bill like this, pay bill. You go back to Ahmed company, and you notice that the checkbox is checked here for paying this bill. Okay, you want to, or we want to pay 11,300 JD in full, because here he said that we paid in cash bill 777, bill number 777. Okay, which means that we paid it in full. We don't have any discount here. Then we don't have to go to set discount. We simply want to pay this, and the date, payment date, we must change the payment date to be 7th of April 2015. Okay, and we will note that we want to change the bank to cash because we paid from cash, not from bank. Okay, we have here finish this window, paying the bill. We can pay selected bill here, click yes. He said that this date is old. Okay, yes. Here we have this window, pay more bills, no, print checks, no, done. We finish this. Then you note that we have paid here to on the Ahmed bill. Okay, this is to remind us that this bill was paid and we must not pay it again. Okay, we have here Ahmed company, open balance 0. Open balance means that we don't have any current balance or any unpaid balance for Ahmed company. We paid all the amount owed to Ahmed company, and we have here the recent transactions details. We have bill on 5th of April, and we have bill payment on 7th of April by 11,300. Okay, close this window. Okay, we will continue the rest of the transactions in the next video. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.